Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. This morning we are at Waterfall Creek. It is located near Mount Barney. It's just me and Chucka today. We're going to be doing some swimming at this nice little swimming spot. There's a waterfall. It's dog friendly. So yeah, it'll be the first time Chucka's ever been to a waterfall. Sage is at a horse show in Sydney, so yeah, me and Chucka will be solo adventuring today. He's in the back here, he's excited. Chucka, what's going on? So yeah, we're going to do some swimming and then I'm going to be cooking some burgers. So it's currently 8 AM and yeah. So like always, let's just get into it. You excited? Here, come on. All right. So off to the swimming spot, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pretty cool place. It's a fairly easy walk. It takes maybe 2 minutes from the car park. Ooh, nice and fresh. Come on, Chucka, mate. Chucka. So yeah, beautiful morning. No clouds around whatsoever. I'm hoping there's more water here than last time. Last time there was a little waterfall. This is Chucka's first time to a swimming spot with a waterfall, I guess. Yeah, look at this. This is like a little cave here. Yeah, cool. Sounds like the waterfall's flowing. Nice, very nice. Check it up here. Up here. Come on, you gotta go up here. Wait for Hilly. Wait. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, it sounds like the waterfall's flowing. That's awesome. Now it looks like we're the only ones here this morning. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is beautiful. How's that look? Nice, eh? I'll put my stuff here and then we'll go for a little swim, eh? So yeah, you are allowed dogs here because this isn't actually a national park. I believe the national park starts where the upper portals are. So yeah, you can bring your dogs here. And yeah, that was like a 2-3 minute walk here. Awesome. Let's go in, Chucka. Beautiful, nice, clean water. Woo! Oh, so good. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that. Hey boy! Not a bad spot at all. Nice little waterfall. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ooh. So good. Check out. Come on. Come on. There you go, hey? Cave explorer. Look at him go. Chucka's a cave explorer now. Hey, how are you? You good? You having fun? You having fun, big boy? Hey? You having fun? Look, Kelly goes for a jump. You ready? Yeah. Hey. Good boy. What's going on, hey? Don't you shake there. Come back in. Hey. You having fun? Hmm? Yeah, he's having fun. You like the water, hey? You like swimming, don't you? Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this place is called Waterfall Creek. It is located by Mount Barney, and yeah, it's quite simple and beautiful for a nice Sunday swim. Like I'm saying, you can bring your dogs here, it's easy for the kids. And yeah, there's a little waterfall and yeah, fresh water. What more do you want? That was so shallow, it hit the bottom. Oh, here comes my lifesaver. Hey boy, there's the lifeguard. I don't recommend doing that because I hit the bottom. But lucky I've got my lifeguard here, Chukka. So he was ready to save me. Whew. Chukka, come here. Come here. Hey, good morning. Yeah, brother. Yeah, I don't recommend. It's very shallow. Yeah. Yeah, I hit the bottom, yeah. I jumped off from up there somewhere. But it's a beautiful day for it. Yeah. Yeah. Saying there's not enough water flowing for the waterfall. I've been here once before, I think last week. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. so that is swimming done. Chukka had a nice swim. So now I'm going to head back to the car and set up the barbecue. I've got some burgers for our breakfast. I haven't had any breakfast this morning. I just wanted to come here and freshen up and go for a nice swim with Chukka, take him out for a nice day. And it is a beautiful day today. Absolutely beautiful day. It's been a while since Chukka and I have done some exploring together. So yeah, really appreciate the day and making the most out of it. Alright, so I got the Weber cranking. Got a good little setup here. Yeah, the Weber's on. Yeah, got a good little setup here. Not too bad. I really hate this king awning. It is terrible. It is so flimsy and crap. I'll be definitely investing in a better one. I want to get one of those ones that's like a 270 degree. It'd be so much better because yeah, this king stuff is just so cheaply made and flimsy, so I'll be definitely removing that. But yeah, me and Chukka and I had a good swim. He's doing his resting. I thought pardon me. I thought I'd take Chukka out because he's struggling with the heat. He's got like heat rashes and stuff, like crusts and things from the heat, and then he's losing hair. Apparently a lot of dogs are getting that at the moment, so as you can see here, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's all crusty there. He's got crusts everywhere, losing hair, so he's a bit depressed at the moment. Oh, poor Chukka. So yeah, I thought I'd treat him and take him out for a nice swim and have a boys' day together again. So yeah, I'm going to be cooking some burgers. I've got cheddar natural slices from New Zealand. So I've never had those, so I thought I'd give them a try. They look pretty nice. And then I've got Chukka's favourite, kangaroo burger. Chukka absolutely loves kangaroo. It's his favourite thing to eat. So yeah, it should be a nice Sunday morning together. Alright, so kangaroo burgers are on. I'm going to cook all four, so I'll have two and then Chukka will have two. That'll put a smile on his face again. I've got a rubbish bag somewhere actually. Oh, I think it's in the car. Oh, kangaroo's got such a strong smell. Not many people like kangaroo actually, but let us know what you think about kangaroo. If you've had kangaroo meat before, if you love it, if you hate it, let us know. I absolutely love kangaroo meat. It's so good for you. I think it's high in protein, high in iron, and then low in fat. So yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. It's just the smell. It is currently 9:41 in the morning AM. So Sage is actually in Sydney doing a horse competition because she does English riding. That's like her part-time job, so she rides horses for people. And yeah, so she got flown to Sydney for a competition, and I think she placed third in a category, which is pretty good because she hasn't done it in a couple of years now, competing. And she's doing another class today, so I wish her all the best and good luck to her. I hope she succeeds in another group, and yeah, I hope she just has a blast. been a while since Sage and I haven't been together for a weekend. I can't remember last time actually we've had a weekend separated. There's some people that look lost. Maybe they're looking for people, I'm not too sure. I might see if they need help or something. Alright, let's have a look at these caves. Woo, woo, woo. So this is Waterfall Creek. This is located near Mount Barney. It took me an hour and 10 minutes to get here from Jimboomba this morning. It is also, oops, my phone fell down. So you are actually allowed to camp here. I think there is 4 camp spots in total. The way you book it is you have to call a number, it's a council number, so you've got to get a permit to camp here. I'm not too sure exactly how much it costs. Yeah, it's quite spacious. There are no toilets, there are no showers, so you've got to bring your own facilities for those. Pardon me. But like I'm saying, for like a nice morning swim with the family and kids, or even dog like myself this morning, and then have a little, you know, something to eat, it's perfect. It's relaxing, and yeah, it's actually a very beautiful day. I'm sure Chuck is appreciating it. He was having a nice swim, and then he'll have his kangaroo soon. Yeah. Actually, I think I have a pepper somewhere too. This is my barbecue bag, so it's got all the plates and utilities, and then even a first aid kit for snakes. You never know, you know, we live in Australia. And there's my pepper. I like to be prepared for any situation in life. Burger's going now. So I'm going with the jumbo multi-grain rolls. Gotta love multi-grain. Healthy for you. Rip that open. Barbecue sauce, love it. Cheese. And then American mustard. Oh. Nice. Very nice. I'll put this American mustard on. Nice. Very excited. Oh yeah, and the pepper. Put the pepper on. Oh, that was a bit too much, but oh well. Then look at that. Oh. That's a bloody good burger, that one. That's a good breakfast right there. Oh, nice. You know what? I'm pretty happy with that. That was a good breakfast. Oh, that was delicious. Hey, check out. Good boy. Here's another one. Good boy. Oh, he loves kangaroo meat. Very, very lovely. 2 burgers done. That's good enough. Alright everybody, so that is breakfast done. That's swimming done, so I'm going to start slowly packing up. Oh man. I killed a butterfly. That was not my fault, that was an accident. Oh. Well, be free. So yeah, I'm going to pack up the barbecue stuff. There are no bins here, so you got to take your rubbish with you and dispose of it correctly, which is fair enough. And yeah, so yeah, a little pack up, and then I will show you some more information about this place, camping wise. Alright, so everything's packed up. Let's go check out what this sign says in case you are interested in staying here. It will show you all the information you need to know for camping wise. Let's have a look at this sign. So there you go, take your rubbish with you, like always. That's just standard, you should be doing that either way. And yeah, as you can see, there's some people camping here. This looks like it's campsite number 1. Someone must have been drunk or accidentally hit that. Maybe that camper trailer. Who knows? Campsite number 3 and 4 over there. Alright, and here's the sign. Here's all the information you need to know. For campsites, the site bookings, please call Monday to Friday, because permits, you need permits. So there you go. So there's 4 camp spots. Right, back to the car. So this is like the camp area for the bottom. If you want to do like the upper portals track, which is a big hike. The full drive is like 4 kilometers, and then the walking track itself is like a fire track, and that's an extra 4 kilometers. So you're looking around 8 kilometers in walking. And if you don't have a full drive, that's around 16 kilometers of walking. So it is a big hike. But to be honest, the upper portals aren't that great. I reckon Cedar Creek Falls, and there's much nicer places for swimming and walking than the upper portals. It's pretty much just like a little running creek water with so it's nothing nice, not worth the walk. Lower portals, yeah, lower portals are nice, but not the upper portals. I don't recommend them. So I'm going to put Chukka back in the car and then we will shoot off. Whenever I go exploring, I take Chukka's Betty with him. There you go. You go sleeping. Yeah, good boy. Alright everybody, I'm going to end the channel here. So that was our little Sunday adventure to Waterfall Creek. Yeah. Nothing too crazy, it was just a nice Sunday little getaway. If you enjoyed the video, let us know. Leave a comment. If you're new to the channel and liked what you see, give us a like and subscribe. We've got more camping coming up. Actually, we've got our 1 year anniversary, which is in March, and we're heading back to Bingy Station. So that's going to be a nice epic one. Staying there for 2 nights and 3 days. So yeah, Bingy Station's a very nice camping spot. We're staying at Jumping Rock this time. So Sage and I haven't been there, so it's something new and exciting. And also for my birthday this year, we're heading to Tasmania. So we're doing a full week in Tasmania, just driving around. I'm gonna hire a like a RV kind of thing, and yeah, we're just gonna be traveling in Australia. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the channel, and like always, we shall catch you next time. Peace.